Don't wake him up, asshole.
Hey. What's wrong? What? I'm going to start drinking.
Among other things, 2 attempted carjackings and a roadside bomb. He tells some of these stories in a new documentary called War Zone Diary, which premieres tonight at 10 p.m. right here on MSNBC.
This is dumb. What are you?
An IED just exploded next to our vehicle. Inside here it still smells like gunpowder. Luckily, we were able to drive through it, and no one in this convoy was injured, but we're still assessing, checking if there are any other bombs in the area.
Where's your backyard dogs at? Is over here?
Middle East correspondent, you're in chief for MSNBC, actually NBC as well, Richard Engel. Sir, thank you. It's a hell of a piece. I've been watching some of the preview material, including. It sounds like it's going to this network. Unfortunately, the reality of war is very gory. This is very different from other
Turn on the light.
that I normally do. It is not the tightly focused, peaceful information with lots of cuts. View from the ground and raw footage. Sometimes footage I took myself with a small handheld camera, and there were times when there was blood holding. So it is a reflective. I've seen the war has changed over the last few years, and it's changed for me, also for the soldiers and for the Iraqi.
Go away, fat man.
I was in Fallujah, and I've just seen some horrible images. I saw a body that was being eaten by a dog, and it just been the body had just been.
That's some good sleep right there.
Good fucking choke.
There have been a lot of horrible images that behind in Iraq when the. It is very troubling, and these are images that the soldiers see and that the Iraqis